So when I was up at Arlen Ness Motorcycles, I picked up a few parts. And one of the parts I picked up was one of their 90-degree air intakes. And I picked that up, and then I had to order a DynoJet tuner because it does require a tuner. Otherwise you'll run the bike too lean, and you don't want that. So here's a little video of some of the process to install the new air cleaner, and I did it myself. I didn't go over to the motorcycle dealership, which we're cruising by right here. Had the wrong lane there. So the bike will run too lean with that air intake if you don't tune it. So, and I highly suggest when you get your tuner and get the DynoJet to get it from Fuel Moto USA, because they actually provide additional tunes, and if you change the parts on your bike, they'll actually send you another tune. So their support's really good. So here's a little video of, and some pictures of installing the new air intake. So today I'm going to go ahead and change out the air cleaner to an Arlen Ness 90-degree air cleaner. First, it looks like I have to take the seat off and remove, or actually lift the back of the tank to get some bolts that hid way up in there. Yeah, the bike's dirty. I got caught in the rain the other day and I haven't cleaned it yet, but I'll clean it afterwards. So I've got the seat off and the back of the tank is unbolted, and I can now get to the screws, and I just put a tape measure under there that holds it up enough so you can get to those screws right there. Now that I've installed everything, it's time to go ahead and flash the tune into the bike and take it for a test ride. So after I flashed the tune into the bike, it had started raining, so I wasn't able to give it a really good test ride after that. And if some of you are wondering about riding in the rain with the open air cleaner, the Arlen Ness air cleaner, as long as it's not a downpour, they said, that you're okay riding with it with, I guess, a light to moderate rain, which it was more on the light side. So I actually tested that out right off the bat. So I did notice a difference in the bike afterwards. I'm not sure how much was the tune from Fuel Moto or how much is the actual air cleaner. So not really sure on that one, but overall the throttle response is better, and I do like it with this air cleaner and the tune. Here, let me pull over and show you guys next to all these e-bikes, something like that. Some of you know where I'm at. So when I was at Arlen Ness, I bought a horn cover also. And that is a horn cover installed, just 3 little screws. It's really easy to put on, and that gives you a hint what the air cleaner looks like, because I didn't show it in the picture there with the cover on it. So there it is with the cover on it. I like the look of it. It gives a little bit more leg room, but it does have an aggressive look on it, and I think it'll match the overall look of the bike good. The bike also seems to rev a little bit more freer with this setup. So above 5,000 RPM, it used to sort of die a little bit, and it seems to have a little more pep up at the higher end. So seems over a hope, and I'd actually recommend an open air cleaner Depends what you want, or an open air cleaner with the tune is actually better. So that actually makes a pretty big difference on overall power.